Hey everyone, Chase here. Welcome to Alaska. I'm here on the Mendenhall River, which is fed by the famous Mendenhall Glacier. And as you can see here, this chalky water that you see is the glacier water. And the brown water that you see, we're actually at the confluence of another river here. And this river right now has a run of chum salmon and pink salmon that are running through it. So I'm fishing right here next to this large log. And you can see that the water from the river here is mixing with the Mendenhall, and it creates a really nice seam where there's a change in color. Oh, there's a fish right there, big old salmon. So what I'm targeting is salmon are just like trout. They try to find the calmest areas of water that they can be in to expend the least amount of energy. They're coming up this river from the ocean, which is only a couple miles downstream, and as they come up, they are fighting this massive current, and they need to save their energy to spawn. And as they come up through here, they come along the shore, along the side here because it's calmer, and then into this calm water where they can get ready to spawn. Let's go fishing and catch some salmon.